Good morning, students. Today we are going to identify the direction in which forces act. Think back to your work on gravity. Why can astronauts jump higher on the moon than on Earth? Moon has less gravity, so astronauts can jump higher. There is an invisible force keeping the person in the chair. What do you think it is? It is gravity. What direction is the force of on the person? We draw arrows on the diagram to show the direction of the force. You can see arrows on the picture. Which two forces are keeping the person in the chair? The forces are weight and upthrust. If the force of gravity is pulling us to the center of the earth, why do we stay on the surface? The answer is the surface of the earth is also pulling us up. The pushing is called upthrust. The force of gravity and upthrust keep us on the planet. Let us see what is this upthrust force. Upthrust is a force that keeps us on the surface of the earth. Upthrust prevents us from flying off and gravity prevents us from sinking into the center of the earth. Look at the picture. The person in the drawing is applying a force to the spring. The spring wants to stay in a coiled shape. The person needs to use up the energy to uncoil it. The spring pulls back in the opposite direction to keep its shape. Elastic band behaves in the same way. Try pulling an elastic band. What can you feel? Why is it difficult to pull it straight? You can feel that the band is pulling back. It is difficult to pull it straight as a force is pulling in the opposite direction. Dear children, go through the slides. Write all the questions on page 124. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.